Merry Christmas! I am Dutty Berry, and now I present to you the worst thriller, the worst movie ever created in history, the Jamaican Santa. Watch.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
We don't want me out to Adam. But you come on, we need to ask how you got so big. How you out to tell a sheet spread so, eh? Listen to me dirty man, I can't come from my two and them, how much man they breed from. Later for you.
Hello?
It's me.
Me who?
Season's greetings, sir. But that's make you know say you win $500,000 and all you have to do is just come carrying 700,000 and you can collect your winning.
That man feed that, no? Come off of man phone and stop down man credit.
Due to our me call you.
Thousand bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away, Christmas.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas where my knuckles and me body job round, where me teeth.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Let me check the message here. What did it say? Voice note from Gully Bop. Let me press it.
My God, all I want for Christmas is my two front teeth.
Alright, little girl, make sure you tell them how to pay the light bill and stop bag hairdresser.
Next!
So basically, I just want to ask you a question like, you can send me a new babe for 2016, but tired of meat man will work, you know? I can't tell you what more things about me, can I sit on there now?
Here what? You need to deliver the gift to ASAP because the reindeers, them get stuck at transport center right now.
So I'm the Rudolph.
Massa, him not gonna dance and make some little careless girl go working back, so no him don't fit him done until next year. Anyway, so Maureen wanted to do hybrid mosquitoes so you can take one of them and carry over the 14 parishes. Take care, alright?
Keisha, they put more mosquito. Now fi pay fi cross the toll. And if you ever see her, you would have to say, oh.
Thousand bells, sweet silver bells, all seem.
Good evening, caller. Welcome to Dear Santa.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Man, not that issue happen. Turn up, yeah.
Lies! It turned down like the economy.
So you mean to tell me that you are the man whose first name is Santa and your last name is Claus? You go into people's homes without their permission and you leave packages there for them and nothing comes of it.
Yeah, brother.
Fascinating.
Yeah, me can get a cab from Princess Street, go North Pole.
What that then? Polyroyal or taboo? Polyroyal or taboo?
What ice and elf there.
Anyone for 4 years or less? 4 years or less?
Thank you very much for watching another Dutty Bear Show. Much love for supporting me throughout the year. Merry Christmas, season greetings, and Happy New Year's when it comes.